guys, I'm Jan.
I'm Tiana.
And we're here with a Q&A. We're gonna eat some stuff. We're gonna eat Cheetos, nuggets, fried chicken, and some mashed potatoes.
And we have our
Yes.
soda.
Um, Orange flavored. So let us get down into.
And if you hear noise, it's the fan.
Okay, yeah. So let's get down. No, we want the fun. I'm just looking for the link. Looking for some questions.
I'm going to start eat. Oh, okay.
Oh yes, we can pass it. So yes, I'm gonna put some of this on the mashed potato. Awesome. So I'm gonna ask some question and then the two of us going to answer. So so this is a lot of questions. Okay, so this question is interesting. If you had to eat one meal for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Patty.
Why patty?
It's flavorful. The beef nice.
Well, my own would be I'm not sure now. Yeah, fried chicken would be mine. Fried chicken, you can never say that fried chicken. So, one next question. So what breed of dog would you be?
Patty.
Mine too.
Mine too.
Yes, them cute. So
A
that
pitbull.
and pitbull. Well, my own would be husky for sure.
Pitbull. Pitbull.
Okay. So, what is the strangest thing you used to believe as a child?
In rolling calf.
What?
Rolling calf.
Rolling calf?
Yes, they're an animal that likes with chain around him and make plenty noise, and if you're out at a certain time, they will be coming for you. So get off the road, rolling calf is coming.
Oh, okay. So I'm hearing about that.
Mm-hmm.
The strangest thing you've ever believed in as a child.
And in a real?
Well,
Well, I
it's
real.
strange. Well,
Nothing,
for me,
nothing.
is that the cloud was cotton candy. That's the one for me. I believe that I could go up there and just pinch off piece of the cloud and eat it. Cause
But
it
it's
looks
cotton.
so good, especially in cartoons.
Have you in my face? You want to say hi? I feel stuffy.
What is the most adventurous thing you have ever done?
I like the most called.
Take the bubble gum, put bubble, and wash it in the
And wash
liquid. The washing liquid.
dishwashing liquid. Boy, something wrong with you. You lack something.
But I mean this, mama. Me already know
What
we
did you
never
do
like
with that?
jump.
What did you do with that?
Eat it.
Bubble gum, dishwashing liquid.
When you were small,
Mhm.
man, you were
you want to taste dirt. But you want to see if me lock some.
One adventurous thing I've ever done.
Skip on its floor.
And the boat. When you go to the
We
boat.
went to Black River and we went on the 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 safari tour. And we saw all of these different type of
Alligator.
yeah. So it was adventurous. I was scared at first, but then I wasn't scared because I got used to it. So this question: if you could be any animal in the world, what animal would you choose
Puss.
to be?
And ant is resilient.
Puss.
Mm-hmm.
A cat?
No, it's not an ant. A cat, yes. Who don't want to be a cat? Women are like cat. But then cat is they are always bouncing back. No matter how you throw them, they always bounce back. But
I want to be a bird.
I would like to be an eagle.
Shark.
Yeah. Or
Yeah.
a monkey.
Ant is hardworking.
A monkey. You're funny.
Mm-mm.
Always making mischief.
He's ugly.
Funny and ugly.
Yeah. Yeah, but I'm not chicken nugget. And I go eat chicken nugget.
Um, um,
I'm gonna eat the chicken yet. I'm full.
what is your favorite? Is
Beautiful.
what is your favorite time of the day and why?
Um, in the night because I get to sleep.
How we mine is in the morning.
Mine is in the afternoon. I'm awake.
I don't know which chicken you
Mine is
want.
in the morning because
I'm a
I get
morning
to
person.
see, the sun come up and everything. Mhm. Um,
Everything but
I'm gonna find a different set of questions now. Some different set of questions. So, what is your most embarrassing moment? The Bible?
when we drop off at the staircase of school, Miss
My embarrassing
I hold you.
moment.
No fear.
My embarrassing moment is
it's
when
not
me
spicy.
lost my money. That is just embarrassing. Like big fit me like you lost money. So yeah, it's embarrassing. Um, hmm, what do you miss most about your childhood? I'm gonna tell you. They used to make this thing. Jesus.
All the fun.
Oh, I can't take it.
Sorry.
I
Alright,
mean,
so
what is it?
Don't choke.
my
It's too spicy.
my what was that? What what was the question? Cause it just pranked me so. So what do I miss most about my childhood? Is that they used to make this thing called smooches.
And we never even go back because.
Smooches is like a sandwich biscuit, and it's like they stopped making it like completely, like no trace of it, none at all. They just stopped me. So that is one thing I really miss. What about you?
Hello.
No,
What me miss? What me miss, dear God?
everything.
Me used to like him every fruit.
You miss that?
My stomach can't take it anymore.
Yeah.
Well, for me, I miss no part of it.
Cause I feel like them.
I miss no part.
I hope this does not choke me again. Jenna, you're not eating this something.
You should be eating.
She's not eating.
I'll eat it for her.
What is one thing you regret doing as a kid?
Doing lying, stealing.
I never steal.
Never doing your those night all that night. Well, me used to lie. I
Me
used
used
to
to
feel
lie too.
bad. Lying.
I
I
never
usually
steal.
And I rarely do that.
I
is
don't
that we
steal.
waste time.
Me not, yeah, me couldn't steal. Well, yes, me used to. I used to steal. Anytime them leave me with the picnic them. Young baby, I used to eat out the baby them feeding.
But he was steal from a shop
I see the baby
cleaner.
feeding them. The baby tin feeding. I used to love to eat it out. So when them leave me,
Mhm.
normal. I want to sleep, guys.
Yeah, so I am I wasted a lot of time. So yeah, that's one thing I regret doing.
I missed to see my classmates graduating from primary school. I missed, yeah, I missed them. I missed two of them. They're girls. Shout out to them, Tajna and Halima. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
How long ago have you seen them?
Yes, so much years go by.
Have you seen them?
Yes, I see Tajna
What's your
last week.
favorite number and why?
Oh,
15 because I'm 15.
10.
Say change.
So you first.
15 because I'm 15.
Okay.
And I love 10 ever since.
10 why?
But I like no
Because
number.
it's an even number. I love all even numbers, but especially 10.
I don't like no number.
Okay.
5, 10,
My own is 1.
5 and
15.
10. No.
15 is mine.
Even though 5 is not an even number, I love 5 too.
My own is 1.
1.
First. But that's you.
I'm 15 because I'm 15.
So
I'm just crying.
No, you said.
Sorry guys, it's just me.
Yeah, it's just her. That's her. Of course, it's her. Nobody does it
feel
better.
so. Have you ever broken a bone?
They nearly break my bone
I did it.
Monday.
I did it.
There's no
I
nearly.
did not ask if it nearly broke a bone. You know.
No
Ask
guys,
if it-
I never break my bone, but I nearly did.
Have you?
Monday. When I would shut the
No,
door,
I've never had a broken bone.
Neither do I.
when I shut the door, and my hands was between the door part there, so right here, the little part, the lining part where you can see through the clothes.
Crease.
The crease of the door. My hand was in between there, so, and I was pulling the door. I never realized that my finger was there, and it pains me up until today. Day.
She's trying to speak
Today, day.
English.
Yeah, today, day. I'm putting that. I didn't tell you. What?
Okay.
Thumbnail. No.
Okay, the thumbnail. Ready, guys? Man. Yeah, so it's
Oh, they ask you for it.
No, we need to do it.
thumbnail. Thumbnail. Okay.
Thumbnail.
Okay. So, what would you do with $100,000?
I need
Build
more
up
than
a
that.
business. Build my own business and help my family.
With that, you
Yeah.
just go and start it, baby. But it's good. The intention is good. You want to help your family.
Me
But that is just
with
not.
100,000?
That's that.
If it's USA money, Then
Yeah.
of course you can do a lot of things. But if Jamaican money, that have to just put local food in my house. For sure.
But me, I'm
That's
end up
all I
putting.
can do.
When I end up putting that bit of me
But
main
yeah,
place.
I'm talking about the 100,000.
That's just like 2 months
Buy me
supply
makeup
of.
and stuff.
Okay.
And practice.
Okay. So all the cosmetic stuff.
What's something new you learned today? Just learn.
Guys, cut that out, please.
You don't learn. Just say you don't learn nothing new today.
It's like I'm making. Um,
Oh, like for me, for me publication, I learned that when you when you raise your child like a chicken, like a white chicken,
Mm-hmm.
his neck feel the effect, something like that. Yes.
Oh,
But when you raise your child like the what am I know a fowl.
the one with
Mm-hmm. You teach him to be industrious and creative and be defensive. As to how to help himself.
yes, guys. Get
So
it.
white chicken, white fowl can raise them white fowl. No raise them children. No help them to be creative and industrious. But the brown fowl does that. So
mm-hmm.
it's telling us that don't be a white fowl raising your children. Be a brown fowl.
Yes,
Something
mom.
to that effect.
Yes,
We need to go down.
yes. These foods need to go down,
Yes.
guys. Like this nugget
Exactly.
has to go
Exactly.
down.
Yes,
Oh,
we
it's
need to go
time.
down.
It's time for these food to go down.
Yeah, it's time
Yeah.
for these food to go down.
No excitement. I know it. Yeah, no
This food needs to go down, guys. Yes, guys. Power it up, guys.
Get it down, girl. Get it
Get it
down.
down,
Get it down.
guys.
Yes, these
Look at
food
me,
need to go down.
Yes, get it down, Gian.
See, exciting one, yeah. Yeah, chef, yes, yeah, we have to.
I'm afraid,
Alright, so
guys.
for me, I learned
Food in your mouth.
how to multitask.
That is an everyday substance. We supposed to do that every day.
Do you?
Do you
Um,
do it every day?
Guys.
Knowing about, but
And guys, if you never know, she's my sister. We may look different. My mother is black and my father is brown.
Oh, that become in there.
I'm just warning you guys.
Well, you can answer your head.
Yes, guys.
This is like an introductory video.
We are going to what? Um.
And like, I am so happy because this month is June and I'm graduating. Like, I'm graduating.
Yes, guys. And we're gonna show you some vlogs on what we get on Temu, guys.
Yes. When
It
it
will
comes,
come. It will come, guys.
yes,
I got some
there's
stuff in,
something.
and I'm gonna paint this face. Yes, yes, guys.
And the makeup.
Paint my face. No,
Oh, I just remember that. Then have to wear makeup.
Where?
Graduation.
Oh, Tina, I wouldn't even wear makeup to graduation because that would be chaotic.
It
But
will
won't
be
be.
swelling your face, guys.
So, are you a morning person or a night person?
Night.
A night person.
Yes, you get some party with some
I hate
sleeping.
waking up. Like, I hate when I have good sleep and I have to wake up. Like, I don't have a choice to wake up. Like,
Wake up at 4 o'clock is hectic, guys.
yes, we have to wake up at 4 o'clock to go to school.
It's disgusting, guys.
Like,
Nearly an hour drive.
our school is like in a different parish.
Bush place, guys.
Yes, but it's a good school.
Yes,
It's a good
guys.
school. It's Winston Jones High School if you're guessing. It's a good
Human,
school.
guys. We're
So much less distraction.
Yes, so we don't really have any distraction down there. That's why, yeah. And
And
there's
bad
more
teachers.
teachers. Like the teacher them,
They care about us, guys.
teachers are so helpful.
Let me get this word,
Big up on
guys.
yourself, teachers.
Yes, I love you, teachers. I only have 1 year, guys.
And I'm finished school, guys. I can't wait to transition.
I can't wait to go to United States of Kingdom.
This
Anyways,
is the
if you
madness
guys
of my
want
baby.
a vlog of my graduation, then just write it in the comments section and I'll think about it.
There's a whole lot of videos in store for you guys.
The support
The
is.
Cheetos is not spicy when I'm eating it, but when it's supposed to be spicy is when I'm coughing. And me so cough. Oh no, go ahead.
Whatever that might mean.
Me so, yeah, me so cough.
Hmm.
I mean, me here, you know, guys.
Yes, she wants to become a
A cosmetologist.
cosmetologist.
I will do your guys' face
And nails,
And
and
here,
nails, and
makeup.
I did want to sew, but I
did
put
want to-
that down. I put it down. I can do it, but I put it down.
we're not
To
into-
it.
No, I don't want it, guys.
She just love food and can manage it.
Mhm.
Really. No coughing it.
Don't cough in the food. Little girl. So, mm,
Oh, you haven't said what you want to do. You know, say what you
A chef and
I want to become a hotelier,
I'm
but
gonna go to our hotel.
I want to be a chef also. And if that doesn't work out, I want to be a math professor. If you guys are wondering why,
I
it's
can't
because
finish this piece of meat.
I
You're gonna
love
finish it.
math. I love math, even though I'm not really good at it. I can do two and two stuff, you know. Not saying I'm bad at math, but yeah, I'm not good at math.
Fancy
But
math. I don't like it none at all. Sorry, teachers, but I don't like it.
So, hmm
If there was a maths, if there is a subject that that we're not supposed to require like maths, like how we're not picking maths, I would not. If we supposed to pick like a subject and maths is included, I would not pick maths. Hey,
well, I would pick maths
I
because
would I pick English?
with everything going on in this world, you have to have maths. Like,
Mhm.
if you know how much bone a chicken, you have to know maths.
And the hair length,
You have to know maths.
And
your
how much
body
you
weight,
charge?
You have to
And
know
how
maths.
much you charge?
and how old you be.
You have to know
And
maths.
the nail, how much to do the hair and the nails and the
Yes.
face?
You have to know
And
maths.
guys, you have to book me when I get up there.
Yes, so if she gets like when she starts her business, guys, we're going to advertise her. Like she's good with hair. Like
Nails.
you know,
Me
you
no
know
know
when you see her, you know, say she's like beauty queen. Like
how.
she make you pretty. Well, yeah. So when she business start roll out, guys, I'll tell you more.
Yes, I would want.
Mm-hmm. Um,
$1 million.
if you could rename yourself, if you could rename yourself, what name would you pick?
Kiki or Alicia or Kiki.
But your name is Alicia.
My first name
Oh, Tiana. But
Kiki. Yes,
Kiki.
I wouldn't know to name my baby Lola when I grow up. Lola or
I want to
I don't
learn.
know.
I want to name myself. I rename myself. You know, I love my name because
It's unique.
yes, no, but yeah, it's an Indian name
Mhm.
for male.
Mhm.
It's a, if the way how it's spelled, it's
A male name.
it's a male name in India. Jian. I spell it Gihan. but some people spell it with J, and you know what? Them have them different for
J
different
is for the
spelling.
female.
So J is for the female, while G in India is for
Same place
male.
in India. J is for.
So yeah,
And
me love
guys,
my name.
people call me Tiana. When it's not Tiana, it's Tiana, Thiane. Yes, guys. You want me to slow it down for you guys? I understand, Miss Tia, guys. Next question. I just don't feel it.
This one is a good one. If you could hang out with any cartoon character, who would you choose and why? I would hang out with Dora because she knows Spanish and I want to learn Spanish. So I
I
would hang out
don't.
with Dora the Explorer.
I
I
don't like
hate
Johnny
cartoons.
Bravo. Johnny Bravo.
because he have
Mhm.
some nice hair.
Yes, Johnny Bravo.
I love none.
I don't like cartoon guys. I don't watch cartoon guys. But I love animation, and I don't know their character names out of my
What's
head.
animation like? Animation? My Story
My
animated.
Story animated.
My
It's so
Story
nice.
animated. Man.
I would.
What is the weirdest food you've ever eaten?
To be honest, guys, Jamaican don't eat weird food. We eat
Seasoned
seasoned
food.
seasoned food.
Alright, well, let's start back here. Mhm. So yes, guys.
Yeah, I like our food. And I don't try nobody else and no other um country food, but you understand. I am used to just Jamaican dishes.
Um, if a movie, if a movie was made of your life, what genre would it be, and who would play you? So
I mean, know what
my
sure cartoon.
genre would be total drama. Total drama because our life is a drama. Like there's not a day without fun, laughter, just total madness. So total madness, man. So my movie genre would be drama because our life was never without drama. Yeah, sounds
Stay put.
reasonable. And who would play me? Um,
Madagascar. And tell me, guys, I don't watch show or cartoon. I
I
don't like
don't know,
them.
to be honest.
Anything that I watch, it looks like cartoon is animation, and it's something like cartoon, but
So,
totally epic.
how do you like your eggs?
Huh?
Scrambled, boiled?
Oh,
How do you like your eggs?
fried. The boiled egg choose to bloat at my belly and make me feel sick. You know what I mean? Yeah.
I like scrambled egg, especially when it has sweet peppers in there.
Take out tomato, no tomato,
To be honest, no
tomato.
matter how much I me can't like tomato.
Yes, guys, tomato is not the thing.
No matter how much I me can't like tomato. See, move this.
From I'm small, I can't like tomato. It's just not for me, guys. I'm full, guys.
Guys, my hair is slicked back. Slicked back.
Sir, look about sir. Guys, I buy extreme gel. That's why my hair is not white. Yes. I don't have nothing to say. My sister is looking at me like I'm sick.
Okay, so we I saw this dance that you're doing like on TikTok. like the dance. Oh my god. Way of life. I think it's that.
Guys,
I like it. Especially when it goes so. Uh. Yeah, me like it.
um, guys, when I was small, I know how to dance them dear time dear, but
Dear
now
time, dear.
I can't do it again. Oh,
I'm
it's
hungry.
it's not for me. It wasn't for me.
Well, yeah. Hold on. So I'm looking up some question online because we need some questions to ask right now because this is getting really boring. Questions. Okay.
No matter how I try. I feel so guilty. Oh my god.
Which season would you be and why? I would be winter, the winter season,
I will be
because I hate the heat.
winter for me too,
Because
guys.
when you're cold, you can make yourself hot. When you're hot, don't know how because fan can help you, and AC can help you. So
Winter for me too, guys, because I'm on and off. I like the summer time and I like the winter time. But I will say the winter because I feel like when I'm in my bed and the time is cold, I can just wrap on my um blanket and just it's just so nice and whatsoever.
yeah. So this question is: if you had to rename your best friend, what would you choose? My best friend is Deshaun, and I would rename him Dimples because he has some really deep dimples. Like you can see it from a mile away. So yeah, that's the name I would give him.
um, my friend name is Sarah K, and I don't know which name I would change. Mm, Coco. I would name
Coco.
Coco like coconut, Coco, like in nice. The name just cute. I just like the name. Like if I suppose I have a friend, like I just call a nickname for my friend Coco.
Another best friend of mine, which is also a family member, is Jada.
Or
Jada, what I would rename her as
princess.
is
Princess for me.
Princess for you. I would rename her as Bunny because she look like a cute bunny, and she has a light complexion. So yeah,
Love you, ma.
Bunny, we're here for you,
Princess.
Bunny. Yeah, so yeah,
I'm gonna send it to Jada, mom.
it's really
Ma,
beautiful.
you send it to Jada, mom. Okay, so she's gonna see it. Okay. You know which cartoon I love, and I will keep on watching it, watching it, watching it, watching it like I don't have no sense. Is Shrek.
Shrek.
Good cartoon for your good brain and your good soul to remember that you are the best. It was nice. I'll do one when we do this with Shrek itself.
What's that one? So yes, guys, Shrek and Fiona. You know my favorite character in that cartoon Shrek is the donkey. Like no one can tell me that donkey. is not the star of the movie. It's not Fiona and it's not Shrek. It is
And it's not
the
their
donkey.
pick me. It's donkey.
Donkey. I love Donkey. Like he is so like he fall in love with this dragon. Like tell me now, which story can go?
And you have dragon children.
Yeah, so we've been like this small. I used to have teddy bear, this teddy bear of Shrek when I was so tiny back in those days, and like Shrek was like I've been watching Shrek since I was a baby. So
Pooh. Pooh.
Shrek is.
I have I don't think Pooh is a cartoon.
Oh, remember we went to the cinema with our grandmother back in those days, and we watched what Happy Feet and Singing.
I was there.
Happy Feet with the penguin.
I was there. I don't think so.
I think you were born, but you were small.
We
And
have
we
some
got
pictures.
this cute big picture of Pooh that we could
Oh,
put on
come
the
on.
wall, and it's still on the wall right now.
Here.
It's behind that.
Um, up
Pooh.
until now, that is about 15 years or so. Or 6. No, it's longer. I'm not sure.
I am 17, so it's about
17 years.
you know, because I was old enough, like I was like probably two, if not three. But it's around
I was
13
not
to
I'm not sure.
15 years back. Yeah. So yes, guys. Today is Saturday. I went to the supermarket to pick up some stuff, and we went after we finished season all the meats and so. After my mom did that, we had to go on the road. Me and my mom, and had to come back and prepare. And now we're eating at
Guys,
what
I'm
time
sick,
is it?
but I'm just keeping straight.
What time is it?
It's about 4 and 3 something. I'm not sure.
About 5 o'clock right now.
I don't. I'm not hungry. Um, I'm kind of full.
I'll surely eat for you.
And my mother is cooking soup. What type of soup? Chicken soup?
Mm-hmm.
I think it was pigtail soup she was going to cook.
No, she's cooking chicken soup.
I love my pigtail soup, but it's not it. Me and my father is the same. We're twins. Locked in. As I was saying, I love the soup, but can't manage. Just can't manage.
So, guys, we've been with you over
40.
30 minutes and so. So,
I was just going to say 40.
so yeah, the Cheetos,
It's a slip.
the Cheetos are spicy, and the Cheetos is so far away from me. The chicken was amazing.
If you hear me coughing, guys, I'm sick.
The mashed potato with the Cheetos, it was good, but she didn't eat her own.
I'm
So
not
yeah,
in dinner.
yes, guys. So the Cheetos, as I was saying, the Cheetos spicy. Chicken was good. Mashed potato was good. I also added some Cheetos onto the mashed potato, so it was good. And our juice was good. Right now, I want some water. So, guys, I'll see you in the next video. The next video, I think, would be. No, I'm not telling you guys.
It's a
You have to
surprise.
stay tuned to actually. You know, you have to stay tuned. You have to stay tuned to find out in the next video what the challenge would be. So, I'm going to love you and leave you guys because this food has to go down. This food has to
Go
down.
down.
So these food need to digest and we need to sit down and digest this food. So yeah, we'll see you in the next
Video.
video.